Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. November 27, 2024, Wednesday, Racing. Meron tayong 7 races. All 7 races ay may distansyang 1,200 at lahat ng 7 karera ay may tigwa 8 entries at 8 din in numbers. Umpisa ng karera alas 5 ng hapon. Meron po tayong winner take all carry over ngayong araw na ito ng Miyerkules, amounting to 1,302,554.36 centavos. Umpisahan po natin ang ating pong mga cool choices. Race number 1, first and only choice, number 7, Walking on Sunshine. Race 2, first choice, number 6, Mr. Old Rich. Second choice, number 5, Color Blast. Race 3, first choice, number 7, Mr. Brown. Second choice, number 8, is Spirit of Might. Race number 4, first choice, number 1, Petron. Second choice, number 4, Make or Break. Third choice, number 5, Ari Munding. Number 5, first choice, number 2, Bonnie Avenue. Second choice, number 6, Galloping Ghost. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 7, Light Bearer. Second choice, number 8, Money for Bipony. Third choice, number 6, Moon Island. Race number 7, last race. First choice, number 2, Hook on the Run. Second choice, number 8, Veltuna. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!